Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to do for mouse actions. Mouse actions we are going to do like say now if I'm going to mouse over and clicking here it will do like some operations, right? And also if you right click here it will display. Now if I'm clicking it will not display. If I click right click and again it will display some value set of values. Okay, and also you can able to double click then it will show me some alert. Like this is a single click it will not display, double click it will display, right? This kind of actions how we can able to perform by using our Selenium Python. Now in this session we are going to see for how to click for right click on this particular one, and we need to inspect these particular elements to click. See, if I am going to do right click it will give directly in this one. Even I am not able to find X path of this, right? X path or ID. I'm going to inspect in some other location. Even I can able to take this taking, and right click is the one you can able to see in the top it is presented in the spam place. Okay, in this the span it is presented, and I'm going to take for this particular CSS selector I will use. CSS selector by using class name we can able to use a tag name dot a class name, which is the one we are able to identify those things. Okay, just I'm going to first I'll drive that driver dot a find element by dot x path, and I'm going to give the span dot class name. Even you can able to whether you are identify the proper value or not means just copy this one. In the filter you can click and after that control F, and in the top place you can able to provide the value. You can able to see highlighted, even you can able to see single selection. Okay, this way we can able to create for class name by using CSS selector. Even you can able to go through that my previous videos which is Selenium basic explanation. There you can able to see entire how many ways we can able to create CSS selector as well as XPath. These things I explained complete series of there. Okay, please go to that, you can able to understand, then based upon that you can able to come here and create your own path. Now we are able to take it up, but we can able to reutilize because we need to right click, right? For us we can able to I'm going to give right variable to store that particular variable. Okay, and after that we need to click a right click action, right? And we need to do right click and we need to find this particular elements, right? You can see if I'm right. If I right click, I am not able to find the text path also, correct? Just I am going to click this one. Even you can able to come and see there are list of values, but we can't able to identify. If I am going to class li and this particular item, it will not happen. But we can able to use the context of the class. I can't. This is the one. See, there are class names. It is indication of first this particular context iPhone text iPhone item is it is indication of this list of items for all the things. Context menu icon means this is the icons. This all the icons it is separated. And another name it is present the same class. Okay. And next context a menu icon delete is there. This is a delete. If you go paste means this is a paste, copy, cut, delete, quit. Like this, the context icon it will be presented. Okay, based upon that you can able to take it up. Okay, li dot you can able to use context, then you can able to by default you can able to choose delete. Okay, now I'm going to copying this again and I'm going to creating for delete. and I'm going to use for driver dot a find element by dot CSS selector, comma, and I'm going to pass here in the top. Okay, I choose export. Sorry, CSS selector. Okay, now we are able to came here, right? But if you want to do mouse actions, you need to use for Selenium. Here we need to import one thing is a action chains. Okay, this is the one which will do for mouse actions. Okay, and for this you have to do before that you need to create actions object equal to action chains, and we need to give the driver a reference. Okay, it will take the driver reference and it will start for its own actions. Now I need to use for actions, and I'm going to use for context click, and where element a right click element for that particular button, and I need to use to perform. Perform is the operation to do for some client actions. I'm going to give some time here. Okay, now again I'm going to same thing I'm going to do for delete button to click. Once I click the delete, it should get for that alert pop-up. Okay, now I'm going to here up to here. Okay, then I can wait some time and I'll close my browser. Wait 5 seconds, then I'll close my driver dot close. Okay, what I done now, I click that particular button, right click here. Okay, now I'm going to click for this particular delete button. If I click this delete button, it should appear, and after that it will wait and it will close that one. Okay, this is our main work here today. Now I'm going to right click .py, and I'm going to run. You can able to see now it will maximize, like it will first load the page and it will maximize the page. Now you can see it will wait some time and it will click for right click. Now it is clicked. It should click for delete action. Now you can able to see the click operation, click for delete. Last one is the deletion. It is not happen because the window happen one alert message, right? It is not able to get some proper response. That's why it is not able to close. You can able to use for quit. If you use close means the driver dot close, what will happen? It will close for only for the particular pop-up. Sometimes it will not identify the properly. And if you use quit, then it will delete quit for complete browser. Okay. This is all about for a right click on particular context, and we need to open a menu, and again we need to click for menu action place. Okay, this is all about for a small explanation about that right click. Okay, I hope you understand this video. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.